I'm a filmmaker. I've lived with many tribes who taught me that food is more than nourishment. It carries value, memory, and meaning, and it is best when shared. Today, that lesson takes form in the kitchen, where fire, spice, and cream come together to create the legend of butter chicken. Here it begins. Chicken breast, onions, tomatoes, yogurt, and a treasury of spices. Each one a character in this story, some bold, some quiet, but all destined for the same screen, the pan. The knife moves with confidence. Cubes of chicken tumble into shape, kissed with salt, a scatter of chili flakes, and the bright cut of lemon juice. Don't skip the citrus. It's what wakes up the flavor, like a director calling action. Meanwhile, the supporting cast enters the blender. Tomatoes, onions, cashews, and water. Smooth, red, and creamy, it's the base note of everything to come. At this moment, garlic is grated, ginger paste swirled in. Turmeric, garam masala, cumin, coriander, and kasuri methi rain down like confetti at a film premiere. Oil binds it, yogurt embraces it, and the chicken is massaged into a deep marinade. Soon after, butter hisses in the pan. A cinnamon stick, cardamom pods, and cloves crackle to life, their perfume filling the scene before a single frame of sauce appears. And now the blended mixture joins the party, stirring into the spiced butter. In another pan, the marinated chicken sears, golden brown on the edges, tender at the core. Resist the urge to crowd the pan. Let each piece breathe, or you'll steam instead of sear. Fresh tomato cubes fall in, water loosens the pace, and the heat shapes everything into a rich, thick story. Finally, chicken meets sauce. The flavors merge, deepen, and darken like a scene shifting into climax. And then, the swirl of cream, white rivers across a red landscape, the final brushstroke that softens the fire without dimming its glow. Butter chicken, born in India, carried across the globe, now steaming on your table. I am a filmmaker. I've told stories of wild beasts and fragile ecosystems, but this too is a story worth telling. A dish of fire and silk, of spice and comfort. Stay with me and let my lens guide you to the next story waiting in my kitchen.